School actually dumbing us down? Imagine cramming historical dates into your brain, only to forget them by tomorrow's quiz. Has our education system, once a vibrant incubator of curiosity, devolved into a factory churning out test-taking robots? While rote memorization plays a role, true learning should ignite a passion for knowledge, not extinguish it. Let's explore ways to transform schools into spaces that foster critical thinking and creativity, and a lifelong love of learning. Remember the endless questions you bombarded adults with as a child? The urge to explore, the fearless whys and hows? Somewhere along the line, that spark dimmed. School often replaced curiosity with rote memorization, and learning became a chore, not an adventure. We spend 12-16 years in school, yet many feel unprepared for the real world. Did all that memorization actually make us smarter? Or are we just forgetting everything after graduation? Traditional education often focuses on the what, facts and figures to memorize. But as kids, we were driven by the why, the how, the where. Our brains were sponges, soaking up knowledge through trial and error and endless questions. This natural curiosity is a powerful learning tool. Research shows that curiosity is a powerful learning tool. It activates the brain's reward system, making us crave new information and seek deeper understanding. As children, we were naturally curious, driven by the whys and hows. But traditional education often discourages this inquisitive nature. When something sparks our curiosity, our brain lights up in specific regions. One key player is the dopamine system, associated with reward and motivation. When encountering something novel or intriguing, dopamine levels increase, creating a sense of pleasure and driving us to seek out more information. This reward system reinforces our curiosity, encouraging us to continue exploring and learning. Another critical area involved is the hippocampus, responsible for memory and information processing. Studies have shown that heightened curiosity strengthens the connection between the hippocampus and the reward centers, leading to better memory and information retention. Curiosity manifests in various forms, each serving a distinct purpose. Epistemic curiosity, the drive to acquire knowledge and fill knowledge gaps. This is the type of curiosity that compels us to read, research, and learn new things. Diversive curiosity, the desire for novelty and exploration. This motivates us to seek out new experiences, environments, and people. Perceptual curiosity, the urge to attend to and make sense of sensory stimuli. This is what makes us turn our heads at unexpected sounds or closely examine unusual objects. The world is full of fascinating things to learn and understand. Just like a curious child, we can unlock a world of knowledge by asking the right questions. Let's reignite that childlike curiosity. Here's a powerful tool, the 4W1H method. Who identifies the people involved in a situation. What defines the specific action, event, or topic. Where specifies the location of the event or action. When indicates the time frame of the event or action. How explains the process, method, or manner in which something happens. By asking these 5 key questions, we can gain a comprehensive understanding of any situation, problem, or topic. Let's see how to apply the 4W1H method to understand historical events. Who? Individuals. Key figures involved: leaders, inventors, activists, ordinary citizens. Groups, social groups, political parties, ethnicities, and nations involved. What? The event itself. What happened? Battles, treaties, inventions, social movements. Causes and consequences. What led to the event, and what were its lasting impacts? Where? Geographical location. Where did the event take place? Setting. Consider broader context: cultural, political, economic environment. When? Specific date and time. When did the event occur? Timeline. Analyze the event within the historical context. Prior events following developments. How? Process and development. How did the event unfold? Motivations and strategies. What were the motivations of individuals and groups involved? By asking these questions and actively seeking answers, we go beyond memorizing facts and develop a deeper understanding of this critical issue. Remember learning to ride a bike? You fell a lot. Each fall was a learning experience, a chance to adjust and improve. But in school, mistakes are often seen as failures, discouraging risk-taking and exploration. We need to embrace a growth mindset, believing that intelligence and skills can develop through effort and learning. Coding is a perfect example. Making mistakes, bugs, is inevitable. But it's through fixing them that you learn and grow. We need to create learning environments, where mistakes are seen as learning opportunities, not roadblocks. Traditional education isn't the only way. Explore alternative approaches like project-based learning. Solve real-world problems through hands-on projects. Self-directed learning. Take charge of your learning journey, exploring topics that interest you. Interactive workshops. Learn through collaboration, discussion, and practical activities. So, how can we rediscover the joy of learning? Embrace the 4W1H method and become an active learner. Develop a growth mindset and welcome mistakes as stepping stones. Explore alternative learning methods that fuel your passion. Never stop asking questions. Curiosity is the key to lifelong learning. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.